just so happens I know a song about a bug zoo.
Whoa.
So what did you learn about today?
Bug zoo.
And what was it that sent you on your way?
Let to be.
Well, I know a song about it. You'll never need to doubt it. So everybody come on out and play. Sing along, Mo.
Moe explores.
All the interesting places.
Moe adores.
All the smiling happy faces.
Moe implores.
For you to get outdoors, and that means he'd like it very much.
Moe would.
If you want to see some creepy crawly things.
Not gross.
With lots of legs and sometimes little wings.
Get close.
Try a bug zoo, it's the place for me and you, and soon we'll be eating like kings.
Frank.
What? I'm a bird.
Fair point. Everybody sing Moe explores.
All the interesting places.
Moe adores.
All the smiling happy faces.
Moe implores.
You to get outdoors, and that means he'd like it very much. One more time.
Moe explores.
All the interesting places. Moe adores. All the smiling happy faces.
Moe implores.
You to get outdoors, and that means he'd like it very much.
Oh yeah.
Great singing about insects, Mo. Hey, maybe you should be in The Beatles. Get it?
Not really.
Good stuff. Well, time for this bird to fly. I'm off. Hooroo. Wah.
Whoa. You okay, Frank?
Yes, and I've got to admit, it's getting better.
Okay.